Hello everybody, this is Marek from Souma Leather, and today I would like to show you our long frame cover from Brompton bicycles. We use premium Italian leather to make all our products. We offer three basic colors: honey, black and brown. They all are a perfect match for Brooks sandals, so it's up to you which one you choose. And I would like to show you how to attach our long frame cover onto the Brompton frame. So what I like to do, I like to start with the front and back part, just kind of press the Velcro against each other so the cover holds on the frame. And now you want to go to the middle part. You want to start from the top and press the leather hard around against the frame so it wraps nice and tight around it. And you kind of go back and forward, attach all these little pieces. Once you have that, I like to go back and reattach each point to get it really nice and tight. So start from here. Again, remember to press from the top to get nice wrap. Now I like to go back to these little pieces and readjust those, and I think that's it. So as you can see, it wraps really nice around the frame. It protects the frame, against the cables or any other scratching. It also looks nice. So thank you.